Namaskar, my name is Chakrapani Pandey and I am Divisional Engineer South in Baroda Division of Western. I am from 2012 batch and here we can see there is an electric trolley. This trolley is being modified from a moped trolley which was fueled from petrol, and in that trolley we all know that it is very noisy, full of vibrations, and the mileage is also very poor. In 1 liter of petrol it was hardly going 7 to 8 kilometers. So a need was always felt to have a trolley which is silent and energy efficient. So this trolley is being developed. This is very silent, no noise, no vibrations, and energy efficient also. There are 6 features which can be covered from the back side of the trolley, so let us cover one by one. The first, we can see that there is a motor which is 900 watt capacity and works over 48 volts. To generate those 48 volts, 4 batteries are there. This motor is being adopted from the e-rickshaw. And the second feature is the batteries. The batteries are of 12 volt each and the weight is 20 kgs. So we have connected all the 4 batteries into series to generate 48 volts which is required for the motor. 20 kg battery makes 80 kg of weight. This is a little bit disadvantage to this trolley because this makes this battery a little bit heavy. Solution to this is that if you use the dry battery, which will be costing a little bit more but will be of weight 30 kgs only, so by adopting that 50 kgs of the weight can be reduced, so that will be incorporated in our next trolley. Let us move to the third feature, the axle. The axle is also adopted from the e-rickshaw. To use this, the full axle of this trolley is being cut and that axle is inserted into that. Now come to the fourth feature. Fourth feature is the safety feature. We can see these are the red lights, so whenever the trolley will be used in night time or early in the morning, this red lights will give the safety feature. From a distance this trolley can be visible. Now come to the fifth and very important feature, this mobile charging system. 2 mobiles can be charged simultaneously. We have observed that during the long inspections, mobiles getting discharged is a very common phenomena. For that, this feature has been added. Next is the controller. This controller converts the single phase power coming from the batteries to the 3-phase power which is required for the motor. So these were all the 6 features which we have covered from the back sides. Now come to the front side. This handle is flexible, we can see from here. From this, entering to the trolley and exiting to the trolley becomes very comfortable and safe and faster also. Next is the braking system, and the next is the speedometer. Through speedometer we can watch the speed of the trolley. Next is the battery meter, through which we can assess the power remaining with the battery so that we can have an idea how much this trolley will go. With our experiment done in the last week, we have observed that with the full charge of battery, this trolley goes to 50 kilometers. Now next is the horn. This is very loud horn. Actually, whenever our trolley approaches to the level crossings or any animal come into our front, then it is very difficult for us to manage. Our trolleyman has to shout, they have to whistle. For that, a loud horn is being provided. Next, we can see that there is a button through which this trolley can move in reverse direction also. The next is these LED fog lights, very useful when we do the trolley in foggy season or early in the morning or late in the evening. And if we talk about the capacity of this trolley with this system, we have tried and tested that this trolley works very well with the weight of 9 to 10 people. 7 people at the back and 3 people in the front. If we talk about the cost, this modification costed us 80,000 rupees including cost of battery, motor, each and everything. And if we use the dry battery, advantage will be 50 kg lighter. Now let us meet the person who is behind all the development, Mr. Milan. He is the NCC guide of railways in Baroda. मेरे लिए भी सर ये पहला प्रोजेक्ट था, तो मुझे भी मतलब कुछ नया सीखने के लिए मिला है और अच्छा लगा मुझे काम करने में। प्रोजेक्ट भी हमारा अच्छी तरह से कंप्लीट हो गया है।